So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can see your hidden files in MacBook. So if you're a new user and you don't know how to do that, then this video is for you. Just go ahead and open Finder, and once you're there, you just need to press these three buttons: Command, Shift, and the dots. Go ahead and tap them together. And guys, that's how you'll be able to see your hidden files. As you can see, these are my hidden files and I've been directly led to them. So if you don't have any direct hidden files, then you probably won't find them, but if you do, then you will be led to them like this. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.